just going to do a little unboxing with you guys and just show you guys what I got. And I will be packing 2 orders today. And it's going to probably be a 2-day video because tomorrow I have to make some products and do a few other stuff behind the scenes. So I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me. So I ordered this stuff, I think, a week ago. Okay, so these are spring clamps. I will explain what these do. So basically, it'll make sense when I show you guys the other products, but basically you use this to hold down the PVC paper, I believe, when you're taking product photos. So, and then this is a contraption that connects to my desk, and it has like this arm where you can put your phone, and so that you can film things up close. So I'm going to be using this probably for packaging orders. So the footage that you guys will see later when I'm packaging the orders will be me using this contraption. Majority of this stuff is for, I think all of the stuff that I ordered is for photography stuff because I want to redo my website because I feel like the photos on my website I'm not 100% happy with. I just feel like they could look more professional. So I'm really trying to up my aesthetic of my page, my website, and just make it look more professional. Oh, wow, it already came with some. So I technically didn't even need to buy any. That's annoying. I might return those because this one already came with some, which I wish they would have, I don't know, maybe I didn't notice it. Oh, okay, so this is basically kind of like a tripod. So basically I'll show you guys what it looks like all set up because I'll probably take some photos either today or tomorrow. But basically it has a stand and then this pole, and then it will hold the paper. But it's hard to explain. I'll just show you guys what it looks like when it's done. And then I just have one more box. Okay, so this is the PVC paper. It's basically like a white backdrop, but it's like really a hard material. It's like plastic, white plastic. So this will give me that white background when I'm taking my product photos. So I'm actually probably gonna set up a table the back of my room. So this is my office that I'm in. So basically, so this is the back wall. I'm gonna set up a table, and that's where I'm gonna be taking my pictures. And so I'm gonna also set up this multi-functional cantilever bracket, such a fancy name for no reason, and attach it to my desk. And because I will be doing packaging videos. I have 2 orders, so I will be packaging both of those. So, and I'll show you guys that. Oh, good, it expands. Perfect. Whew. All right, so that's basically how I'm going to film my packing videos. You guys get the point. All right, cool. So this is how I set it up. So the white PVC paper goes down and then you clip it to the table, and then in the back there's like a little tripod thing. So this is where I'm going to be taking my photos. The lighting will obviously be better because I only have one ring light on right now, but if I had 2 ring lights it would be way better, and especially if it was a bright and sunny day. And I can obviously edit the photos and stuff, so I'm going to give you guys like an example of what it's going to look like. That's on here, but it would be something to this effect or like to this effect. So if I wanted to take a photo like this, like standing up, it would be like that. And so it's nice because it just has a clean white background, so you don't have to like do Photoshop. And then I could do like a laying flat photo like this, but I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more. But like, and then yeah, so this is kind of what I was going for. So I'm gonna be playing around with this and taking photos and such. And then I need to find a good app to get rid of any shadows that may be there once I get both the ring lights